Hi guys, in this video I'm going to show you how you can import free stock images directly in Affinity. For that you want to go on Window on top here, then scroll down to Layout and click on Stock. Then you will get a panel with the stock images. Here you can see that you can choose pictures from Pixabay, and when you go to the menu you can also choose pixels. You have to agree that you understand licensing terms and conditions of those websites. So just click on I understand, and then you can search for whatever you want. If I'm going to search for dog, and then you have a lot of images and you can just use it with drag and drop from there. Just gonna delete that. Same thing with Pixabay. Here you also have the option to choose vector. Just let me search for normal pictures for now. Just gonna look for some elephants. So here we have a disclaimer that you need to say that you understand. And then you can put this image as well and then play around with that later on. Or you can search for vectors and find a bunch of different vectors. So you can choose whatever vector you like and import those. One thing that you have to pay attention to is that if you use the websites for Pexels and Pixabay, you have a lot more options. And one thing, especially if you are looking for vectors, is that you search for vectors on here for elephant. Again, you will get the same results basically, but if you click on an elephant that you like, for example, you now have the option when you click on download here to also use a vector graphic. When you would use it directly in Affinity, you would have to convert this vector graphic to an SVG file if you would want to work with it in that way. I already made a video on how to do that, so I will link that down below. But like that, it's quite easy and simple to just find pictures or vector graphics in seconds, and you don't have to go to a website, download it, and then import it to Affinity. So that's quite a nice time saver. I hope this video was helpful, and if you have any questions regarding Canva or Affinity, just put them down in the comments below.